usually we do see Cruyff on the wings, like on the substitutes, but right now, right off the bat,
and he's found the gap through, and a great goal straight away. Cruyff chilling on the sidelines, but using the main meta boys of Gullit and Ronaldo.
Build up इनके तरफ से बहुत ही बेहतरीन है.
And again, see, working the chance there, and oh, it's a penalty. It's a penalty. He's got Pele on the thing. He's little bit of kidology, and oh, goes for the Panenka. That is so cheeky from Lokmanu and Kerala Blasters FC. One, maybe he can get a second, and it looks like Lokmanu goes for the chip.
Chip?
Oh my goodness me, that is audacious. Absolutely audacious from Lokmanu and in the game itself as the player. And he's worked it through brilliantly, and Bindra has the goal, and it's, well, 3-1. Still maybe a sliver of hope, but he'll feel good about at least finding the back of the net. Quite surprised he didn't. Maybe he didn't want it on the left foot. But now going with Cafu of all people, Ronaldo with the goal, and Bindra brings it back in. ATK Mohan Bagan back in the game. Lokmanu pointing fingers at the screen.
मात्र एक गोल दूर, and if he can get it, then this is it, right? This is where Lokmanu has been rattled a little bit, but now he's on an attack of his own.
Yeah, Bindra. Oh, there you go. It's just
that was a quickie.
Yeah, that was a very short-lived ray of hope.
Is back on his attack. He's got a lot of room, and there you go.
And this looks like it's 5-2. He goes for the volley. It is clinical, absolutely clinical. Even Bindra just has to smile over there and appreciate the quality of that goal.
Coming out from the right wing over there, but can he convert into a goal? I think one more chance.
Does look like it, yeah. I think, he's worked that brilliantly. That's a goal. Oh, it's not a goal. Okay, it is a goal. Little, I think he was quite. He's been shocked by the post a couple of times. Counter-attack could be on, although. Oh, that is a smashing ball over the top. He can put that into the corner and puts it wide. Giving the ball away very cheaply at the moment.
Yeah, and
as we see, he's in. Oh, that's beautifully worked. That's a brilliant goal. Incredible close control there by KT Dillon. You thought for a moment that the move was gone.
पहला जो game होता है वो बहुत important होता है, and suddenly you get more pressure. Understandably, Lokmanu is really competitive, but
he's worked that beautifully. He has worked that beautifully, and again, Akshat, you can see he's quite down by that. Lokmanu again just telling him it's fine, which is of course the right thing to do. But for the moment, this is the moment for ATKMB to celebrate that Akshat is playing a high line now to try and win the ball higher up. And again, it's a mirror image of the last goal. No complication whatsoever. Just getting in behind those fullbacks, making sure he's using those player locks and custom runs to the absolute optimum of his ability. Because Pele, you can look at the stamina bar at the bottom, has enough pace, enough energy left. And is that a penalty? It is a penalty. He completely baited him into that.
Yeah, you certainly have to, and 10 minutes hai, but this.
And Panenka, it's revenge for the last game. What you do to me, I will do to you. It is 4-0 to ATKMB with Patrick Vieira. As we see, Akshat, can he get a consolation goal? This was just for pride, and he does. That's well worked. That is well worked.
Pretty sure co-op up maybe a co-op.
He had the pass delayed it a little too much. No, it's perfectly timed, and this is going to be a goal, of course. And well done for Akshat. Gets a consolation. He has a very distinct style to how he approaches his close control and his dribbling. Very quickly worked. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Goalless first half. Not happened so far, but if any game can do it, it could be this one, or it could not, because he just ran out of space.
And hoping for this, hoping for it to work, but this time not getting enough.
He's given the ball straight away. That's a terrible mistake, and he's not been made to pay.
No!
Yet it's all happening over there.
But this time, Lokmanu was way ahead of where he should have been, and few position
using the strength of Pele now, and now again he's in his favoured position. And is it the same goal? Almost.
Do you think so? Because I think this is exactly with the direction that we are headed to.
Taking it all on his own. And there you go. It is the last minute winner. I called it. It is Akshat, I believe, who has got the winning goal. And just as we had anticipated, Lokmanu doing most of the build-up play over there, putting it on a plate for Akshat to just slide in there and smash it in.